In this video, why you dey laugh like this? You can concentrate. You might have been wondering how to dive into the world of freelancing and don't know how to get started. Don't worry. In this video, I'll take you through the step-by-step on how you can get started. So the first step is to identify your skill or strength. You can't just start freelancing without having any skill and no strength. Freelancing is just you offering that thing you know how to do digitally and offering it in a global market. So you need to have a skill. It can be graphic design, it can be writing, it can be Shopify, store building, it can be anything as long as you can offer it on the internet. So you need to have a skill. That's the first thing. Okay. So and the second thing is you need to have an online presence, or let's say a portfolio, so that people that will come contact to your profile or your Fiverr account or anything will see that portfolio and know that you can handle their work. So you need to create a portfolio. That's how you can attract customers, and that will show that you are really good with what you want to offer them. So you need a portfolio. The third one is you need to create accounts on freelancing marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, freelancer.com, and any other freelance market to see which one that will work for you. So you need to create those accounts. I think it is very important. So, and the fourth one is you need to create feasibility on these freelancing platforms like Fiverr. If you are working on Fiverr, if you create an account on Fiverr, you need to do what we call gig ranking. You need to rank your gig to the top so that people that search on that platform will be able to see your profile or your gig. So, and on Upwork, you need to do both gig ranking and profile ranking. And to do that, you might need to get some couple of people to rate you. This might be family and friends. It might be you buying reviews. So you need to do that to rank your gig up so that people can easily see you. So gig visibility is the first thing to you monetizing that skill that you have on all these platforms. And finally, the fifth point, you need to maintain good standing on these platforms, be it Fiverr, Upwork, and the like. You need to make sure that you are rated 5-star. You deliver your services early. You don't cancel trade on Fiverr because that will lead to your gig being deranked. So make sure you maintain good standing. So it's possible to achieve good standing when you stay organized. Make sure you are organized. Always have electricity wherever you are staying because you will need it. You know when a customer will message you and late response to is bad. That's all. And if you have any question, please drop it in the comment section below and make sure you follow me for more tips and videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.